This is Channel 7 News with K-Dog. Today we have a special newscast, and here's Nick with the weather.
This is Nick Bonebreak reporting live. Not sure whether I'm in a cornfield or on a lake, but today we have a 50% chance of snow. Might see an inch or two. What's that? Here's Braden and CJ with breaking news.
Welcome to 17345 News. We are here today with a special on the cash register with the great-great-grandson of James Ricky.
Well, thanks for having me here, Jim.
You're welcome.
My great-great-grandfather invented the cash register in 1879, like 150 years ago almost.
That's crazy.
Blows my mind. It makes me feel the same way.
Yeah.
But anyways, it was entirely mechanical.
No.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
There was no electronics at all. It took a lot of brains.
Yeah, I bet.
And each button that you pressed corresponded with either a number or a symbol.
Well, that's simple.
I know. It's like 1, 2, add, or addition of 7, and then equals 19.
Oh my gosh.
And it just made those transactions like almost instantly.
That's amazing.
I know, and it held the money, and it even made a ding noise every time the cash register was open to alert the manager, so people wouldn't steal. He liked the people to be honest.
That's very smart.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's all for the special today. Enjoy your day and come back for tomorrow. Our next special is on the typewriter.
And now the game with sports.
Come one and come all, and place your bets to see who will win and who will lose at my cash register.
The champion and the challenger. Nothing's happening. Next!
Who brought a duck in here? This is a cockfighting ring. Who's the smart that keeps bringing in all these ducks? Finally, we have a winner and a loser, which means
Blooper.
I'm not making this very convincing. Final. Five. Come on, my arm's getting tired.
We're here today with a special on the We are here today on 17345 News with a special. We are here today on 17345 News with a dang it special.
Son of a bloopers, because you didn't really